$27 billion. That's what scammers stole from older Americans in a single year. And the airport is one of their favorite hunting grounds. But here's what they get wrong about you. They look at a little gray hair and they assume you're an easy mark. Distracted, trusting, too polite to say no. Big mistake. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the 12 scams they run on travelers our age. The fake helpers, the phony charging ports, the pay in dollars trick that quietly robs you right at the card machine. And exactly how to see each one coming and shut it down cold. A couple of these will surprise even you. Let's make them lose that bet. Number 12, the free charging port that isn't free. Start with the one hiding in plain sight. Your phone's at 19%, and there's a lovely free USB charging port right at the gate. Plug in, and you might be handing a criminal everything on it. It's called juice jacking, a tampered port that quietly copies your data or slips in software while you charge. The Transportation Security Administration put out a warning about this exact trick. The fix is almost insultingly simple. Never plug your cable straight into a public USB port. Bring your own little wall charger and use the regular outlet, or better yet, a battery pack you charged at home. Your defense. Carry your own plug or a battery pack. Skip the public USB port entirely. If you must, use a charge-only cable that can't pass data. Charge up before you leave the house so you're never desperate at the gate. But your charger isn't the only thing at that gate you shouldn't trust. Take a look at your Wi-Fi list. Number 11, the fake airport Wi-Fi. Here's a slick one. You open your phone and see two networks, airport free Wi-Fi and airport_free_ Wi-Fi. One is real. One was set up by the man 3 seats over to watch everything you type. They call it an evil twin. And once you're on it, your passwords and card numbers are his. You are sharp enough not to need this. You just need to know it exists. Ask an airport worker for the exact official network name before you connect. And never ever log into your bank on airport Wi-Fi. Your defense, confirm the real network name with staff, watch for near identical fakes, never open banking, or type a card number on public Wi-Fi. Use your phone's own cellular data for anything private. Now, not every con is digital. Some walk right up to you wearing a friendly smile. Number 10, the helpful stranger with your bag. This is the one that plays on your good manners. A friendly person in a vest offers to carry your bag or push your cart, no charge, sir, then demands a big cash tip or simply walks off with it. Real airport assistance is arranged through your airline and it is free. A stranger who appears out of nowhere is not that. Being polite is a virtue. It is not permission for someone to touch your luggage. Your defense, only accept help from staff you requested through your airline. It's free. Keep a hand on your own bag. A real employee won't be offended. A firm no thank you is a complete sentence. Use it. That one preys on your good manners. This fellow hides behind a fake badge instead. Number 9, the official who wants an on-the-spot fine. Watch for the man with a lanyard and a clipboard. He says your bag is over the limit or your form is wrong, and there's a fine payable right now in cash to him. A real authority never collects a cash penalty on the spot into their own pocket. That is a shakedown, plain and simple. You do not owe a stranger money because he used an official voice. Your defense. No genuine official demands cash on the spot. That alone is the tell. Ask for it in writing and say you'll settle it at the airline desk. Walk toward a uniformed officer or counter. The fine evaporates. Sometimes, though, they skip the costume entirely and just wait for one distracted second. Number 8, the security bin distraction. Here's where thieves love the chaos. At the screening line, one person crowds ahead of you and, accidentally, jams the belt. While you're flustered, their partner lifts your phone or wallet out of the bin behind you. Slow down. The belt can wait for you. Your defense. Send your bin through only when you're ready to walk straight after it. Put your phone and wallet inside your jacket or bag, not loose in the bin. Keep your eyes on your items until you've picked them back up. Make it past security and the next hit lands the moment you reach for your wallet. Number 7, would you like to pay in dollars? This is the one that gets even careful travelers. Number 7 for a reason. You buy a coffee or exchange money abroad, and the machine asks, sweetly, pay in US dollars instead of the local currency? Say yes, and you've just agreed to their exchange rate, often several percent worse, with a fee baked in. It feels helpful. It is a quiet skim. Your defense? Always choose to pay in the local currency, every time. Skip the flashy exchange kiosks in the terminal. Their rates are the worst around. Use a no foreign fee card and let your own bank do the conversion. Quick one, and I mean this. Have you ever been targeted at an airport? A shady taxi? A too friendly stranger? An odd text about your flight? Tell me down in the comments exactly what happened. Your story is worth more than any tip in this whole video. It's the warning that saves the next traveler who reads it. Now stay close. The back half is where the cleverest ones hide. Number 6, the flight delay text that isn't from the airline. Your phone buzzes, your flight is delayed, tap here to rebook. Or later, your bag is delayed, pay a small fee for delivery. Tap that link and you're on a fake page built to grab your card and password. Airlines don't fix your flight through a random text link. Your defense. Never tap a link in an unexpected flight or baggage text. Open the airline's own app or check the board at the gate. A real delayed bag claim is handled at the airline desk, never by prepaying a fee. That scam finds you. This one is sneakier because you'll call them yourself. Number 5, the fake airline customer service number. This one is devious because you go looking for it. Your flight's canceled, you search airline customer service, and you call the first number that pops up. Scammers buy those top spots. You reach a smooth agent who asks for your card to rebook and takes it. Your defense. Only use the phone number on the airline's official website or your ticket. Never read your card number to someone who called you or that you found in an ad. When in doubt, walk to the airline's counter and talk to a real human. A fake voice on the phone is bad enough. A fake government website is worse. Number 4, the phony TSA PreCheck and travel authorization sites. Getting PreCheck or an entry authorization for a trip abroad. Type the address carefully. Crooks build near-perfect copies of official government pages to take your fee and your personal details. The look is flawless now. The web address is where they slip. Your defense. Only enroll through official.gov sites. Check the address letter by letter. Ignore ads and official-looking third parties that charge extra to help. If a page wants your passport number and a fee up front, stop and verify first. Clear all of that, grab your bag, and there's one more trap idling at the curb outside. Number 3, the taxi that recalculates the fare. You made it, and now a friendly driver offers a ride. Halfway there, the price changes. A night rate, an airport surcharge, a longer road. One traveler paid €75 for a trip that cost half that day's before. The friendliness is the setup. Your defense, agree on the fare or insist on the meter before you get in. Use the airport's official taxi stand or a rideshare app with the price locked in. Keep the confidence up. A driver who senses you know the way won't try it. Here's a newer trick that's snagging just about everyone lately. Not only us. Number 2, the QR code that leads nowhere good. QR codes are everywhere now, on parking meters, menus, even free Wi-Fi posters. Scammers paste their own sticker over the real one, and it sends you to a page that steals your payment. If a QR code isn't part of your world, that instinct is protecting you. Your defense? Don't scan random QR codes for parking, payments, or Wi-Fi at the airport. Type the real website in yourself or pay a human at the counter. Check for a sticker slapped over the original, a big red flag, which leaves the big one. I saved it for last because it can drain an account faster than all the rest combined. Number 1, the ATM and card skimmer. Here's the one they bank on. That convenient airport ATM or the card reader at a busy kiosk can hide a thin skimmer that copies your card and a tiny camera that films your PIN. Minutes later, your account is drained from the other side of the world. but you hold all the cards here, literally. Give the card slot a wiggle before you insert. A skimmer often shifts or feels loose. Cover the keypad with your free hand every single time you type your PIN. And use a machine inside a bank or the airline area, not a lonely one in a corner. Your defense. Wiggle the slot and cover the keypad. 2 seconds that beat them cold. Prefer tap to pay or a chip. Skip standalone ATMs in quiet corners. Check your statements after a trip and set up instant transaction alerts. That's the whole game. And now you know every move on the board. Here's the truth to walk out with. Scammers don't target travelers our age because you're weak. They target you because you carry yourself with trust. And that is a good thing about you, not a flaw. You simply don't have to hand that trust to the wrong stranger. So walk through that airport like you own the place, keep your guard up and your phone in your pocket, and you become the very last person they'd dare to try. And if you want the opposite of all this, every free thing the airport actually owes you and wants to give you, I made a whole video on that, and it's waiting right here. Go claim what's yours.